Hello everyone, I am Jayashree Nair. Today we will discuss how to add image in OBS and also how to add text and get your text scrolled. So for that, click on plus icon, go to image, click OK, browse to your destination folder. I have some image here. Click on OK. You can see the image is inserted. Image is seen on the screen. You can move wherever you want. If you want, you can enlarge it. You can enlarge it, or you can fit to screen. So for that, right click, go to transform. Go to transform. Here you can see you can rotate the image, you can flip the image, you can orient it to the center of the screen or vertical or horizontal. We'll click on fit to screen right now. Fit to screen. Now see, it is fitted to the screen. Even after fitting, you can see that there are some empty space. So we'll again right click, transform, click on stretch to screen. Now the image exactly fits to the screen. If you want to add effect to the image, that also can be done. Click, right click, click on filters, just drag it so that you can see the plus sign. Click on plus sign, click on scroll. Okay, yeah, you can see here you can give horizontal speed as well as vertical speed to the image. So if you move the cursor towards right hand side, you will see that the image starts moving from right to left. You can increase the speed. Yeah. Now if you take the cursor, you should note here, you can see if you want stagnant, this value should be 0. Now if you move the cursor left side, you can see that the image starts moving from left to right. So right now I don't want any movement, I'll just keep it stagnant. You can also give vertical speed. So if I move it on the right side, you can see the screen is moving from bottom to top. If I am moving it to left side, it is moving from top to bottom. So again, generally we don't want that. We want that screen to be stagnant. We can scroll text. So we'll see how to add text in OBS. So click on text. Generally this is used when you want something to scroll down continuously on your screen. So number of font styles are available. You can select any one. You can select regular, italic or bold as per your wish. I'll select regular only. You can also select size. Size I'll select say 48. You can underline the text or you can strike out if you want. Click on OK. Right here, whatever you want that to be seen on the screen, after writing, just allow some space and then click OK. So here you can see the text. You can bring it down, you can move wherever you want on the screen. I'll bring it down here. Now if you want that this text should scroll, so click on filter, click on plus sign, click on scroll. Okay, and same way as I had discussed about image, I'll just give a small speed. Okay, now again, if you want any change in the properties, or if you want to change the color, we'll do that. We'll change the color of the text. I'll keep it say pink. Okay, now I can also give background opacity to the text. You can increase the opacity. If you make it 100%, we'll be able to see that. See, you can also give outline to your text. For that, you can also select color, outline color, let it be dark blue. Okay, now you can see it is scrolling. You can increase the size. That's it. Thank you.